What's going on with everybody? Thanks for clicking on my video. It's your girl Tristan2U. So today I got my Soltheory subscription box, and I know you're probably wondering what is Soltheory as I open up this box. Soltheory is a sunglass subscription box. They're a company who reached out to me to be a brand ambassador. So, I agreed, and I just went with, just a simple, just check out the one pair. And, they have other, subscriptions. So, they have the his and hers. Okay. Sorry, let me say that better. So they have the hers for prices start at $12.99, and it is a monthly subscription. They have hers single pair for $12.99, also a his for $12.99. They have a his and hers, looking down at my notes, for $19.99. They also have a her with one pair, one jewelry accessory for $19.99. Her two pair of shades for $19.99. His two pair for $19.99. And her with three beauty items for $19.99. And I believe I said it, but I'm not sure. His two pair for $19.99. So I got the her one pair for $12.99, and I also have a coupon code for you guys because you're my subscribers and you loyal. You understand? So I got a coupon code for you guys. I will have it linked below, and then I will also have it in the description box, also with the link to where you can purchase the subscription box. So inside the box, it looks like this. And there's my fair shades. There's a card in here. So take your best shot, tag us on Instagram. And the shades are cute. These shades are cute. So these pair of shades are from Luxe Sunglasses. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. Look at that. They're pink. And I don't really do pink like that, but these are actually cute. You see all that? So. Oh, these are, yes. I like those. I like them. What you think?
Thumbs up.
Hubby approves. I like them. So yeah, next month I'm probably gonna get the his and hers, or I might get the her with 3 beauty products. I don't know, but this isn't my last pair from Soltheory. This is not my last pair of sunglasses I'm getting from them, but I will be purchasing more, and you guys can too with the 20% off when you use that coupon code. So I'm sorry, why are you not using it yet? You get 20% off. Go ahead and use that. Tristan2U is the coupon code. It'll be down here again, and I also have it in the description box. So go get some bomb sunglasses because these are beautiful. I love these. Like, seriously, anybody who knows me knows I don't really do pink, but I like these. And they're kind of like rose gold type of pink, which is like my wedding ring, rose gold. I really like that kind. So yeah,
go get you a pair. What you waiting for?
The video's over. Go get it.